Signed into a website on your Samsung phone and wondered how your passwords automatically appeared on your new device? That's Samsung Pass. In this video, I'll show you how to sync your Samsung Pass passwords on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, explain what gets synced, and also cover what to do if you're using different Android phone. Why this matters? Imagine upgrade to a new Samsung phone. Instead of remembering dozens of passwords, Samsung Pass can securely make them available after you sign in with the same Samsung account. So that means less time resetting password and a much smoother setup experience. So, but before syncing Samsung Pass, make sure 1. You are signed in with your Samsung account, your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and 3. Samsung Pass is already set up with fingerprint, face recognition, or screen lock. Let's start. So open settings and go to your open your Samsung account. See this says Samsung account. Tap there. Tap at it. So I won't tap this. It will expose a lot of private information under that I don't want to expose. But when you tap here, make sure you're signed in using the same Samsung account that you use on the other Samsung device. So Samsung Pass, it works through this, this account, this particular account. So make sure you signed in to the same account. Okay, once you do that, now go to settings again. Stay on settings here and tap security and privacy. This is security and privacy here, security and privacy, and then to more security settings, and here open Samsung Pass, and you will find that under here. If you go here, you see Samsung Pass, right? Now go to Samsung Pass, authenticate using your fingerprint, face, or PIN if prompted. Okay, here you will see your saved website logins. You will see your saved website logins and other supported credentials. All right, step 3 will be to enable sync. If Samsung Cloud or Samsung account syncing is available on your device, make sure syncing is turned on for supported Samsung services. All right, so once you signed into the Samsung account on another Galaxy device, your Samsung Pass data can sync automatically. So if you don't immediately see your password on your new device, give it a few minutes while connected to the internet. Okay, step 4 will be to verify everything works. Now you're gonna try opening a website or app where you've previously saved a password. So when Samsung Pass appears, you will know your saved credentials have synced successfully. That's how you would test it. When you open a new website and the same Samsung Pass, like on your old phone, shows, so that means it's working. Okay, now if you don't use a Samsung phone, Samsung Pass isn't available. Instead, most Android phones use Google Password Manager to sync. They work the same way. The other phones uses Google Password Manager to sync passwords through your Google account. So simply sign into the same Google account on your new Android phone, and your saved password can be available across supported apps and websites. Common issues. If Samsung Pass isn't syncing, confirm that both devices use the same Samsung accounts. Make sure both devices have internet access, and then update your phone to the latest software version. Restart the phone and try again. Okay? Important tip. Never share your Samsung account password or verification codes with anyone. Also, use a strong screen lock since it helps protect all your saved passwords. And finally, I hope this helped you understand how Samsung Pass keeps your password available across your Galaxy devices. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe and follow for more easy Android and Samsung tips every week. See you in the next one.